a year, well, can you still live on 30? You know, it's like that kind of thing, you know.
Yeah.
I think the government needs to restructure the tax code to make it simpler, because a lot of the tax code is huge, and all these deductions and things you can get around with, I think, never should have been there in the first place.
Okay. Let me just give you one idea, okay, before go to the detail, because this is a very short, very short article. Doesn't matter the author here is really biased against it or not. I just need to give you a very minimum idea, okay. Under the buffet rule, eventually this rule is try to replace the current AMT, alternative minimum tax. You know, the AMT has been attacked by people for a long time. AMT means another set of rules coming in to totally reformat people's tax liability. Say, for example, especially for the middle class family, under the regular rule, after you deduct, you know, your adjustment, your itemize, maybe you pay very minimum. However, if MT come in, everything change. Especially in Silicon Valley, for those people from high-tech company, they receive stock option. They affect a lot. They've been affected under the MT a lot. And under the buffet rule, eventually just try to replace the current MT, but it's another MT. It's another MT. So let's read this article. Okay. Eventually, I have the office send over to you. You may have that in your email, but if you don't have that, you just read this article. Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, and you know, under this title, we know probably it won't work. I don't know, because this is only one proposal at this moment. So the basic idea is, under the warm rule, it proposed for the people, the AGI more than $1 million lose almost every tax benefit. Only one left, there's charitable donation. And then these kind of people will be charged flat rate, 30%. So very simple calculation is, if these people earned $1 million AGI, and these people pay $200,000 flat, and you have more, you pay more. Okay, so let's see what happened here. But you know, the article already mentioned this proposal may not work, because you see, from the calculation, it will raise probably not more than $5 billion. Anybody know how much deficit right now the U.S. government deficit? I'm not talking about the budget, okay? I'm not talking about the annual budget. I'm not talking about the annual spending, okay? Anybody got the idea how much deficit every year U.S. government incur? Deficit means not enough. It's in there. It's in there, okay? So this article just try to argue even buffet rule is to be adopted, it may not help too much. It may not. It sounds very good, but may not work. Yes, go ahead.
But see, that's what I'm saying. Like, you could tell the position, because they're trying to compare it to such a large number to say, well, we shouldn't even implement a plan that's probably right to put in the first place. So they compare it to saying it should be the solution to the deficit.
Yeah. And usually, historically, Republican is kind of pro-rich people, right? Right? Democrat, like Obama, is like pro-middle class. So you can see, if this proposal come in, a group of people, especially for rich group people, they may against it. So you know, from the article title, you say, well, since it only raised them less than $5 billion, so no, forget it. This is kind of the flavor you can smell right now. But you know, we can argue that. Okay, let's see. So I just want to give you a little idea. Okay, what kind of